or Fusion with Sync and Sound for $179 a month or get up to $32.50 cash back. Visit your local Ford dealer today. Tenderness. Just seeing it on its own. Harris Teeter, routine clean. That's why we first and only source from USDA certified very tender meat. Each cup is aged in milk for 21 days and provides extreme freshness and standards to grow sheep. This week, get Harris Teeter Western Angus beef boneless ribeye steak for just $8.99 a pound. Harris Teeter, very tender, the best, guaranteed. It's fancy recipes versus professional chefs. The food fight begins. ABC's Food Fighters premieres Tuesday night at 7 Central. This is the week we find out whose dreams might come true. You want to win? You got to fight for it. Let's do this. America's Got Talent. All new Tuesday at its new time, 9, 8 Central, and Wednesday, 8, 7 Central on ABC. The Mattress Warehouse buy one get one free sale. Our most popular sale of the year. Buy one set of perfect sleep with a perfect night and get the second set free. Buy one Beauty Rest or Beauty Rest World Plus and get the second set free. Two for the price of one. Only at Mattress Warehouse. Individuals interested in current job opportunities at NBC4